so that everything is clear to you by day's end. So I'm going to give you, gentlemen, 5 more minutes. ठीक है, आप अपने end के ऊपर ये करें. Those who are done, be patient. No need to rush. इतना खुश ना होइएगा. I'll be coming and वही बात के the second style of question I shall explain that first and then we'll see कि इसके आगे हमने क्या करना है. Oh, by the way, any of those of you who are attempting these questions, you feel any sort of confusion, you have any query, feel free to ask. I'm going to move to that particular question on the worksheet and discuss it with you.
Sir, question number 4 में issue है.
Sure, let's move to that.
4 का
You are
B.
4 का part
B2 ये वाला. Maps triangle A onto C.
A onto C. Fair enough. You want me to explain it on the whiteboard?
इसे वैसे ही बता दें. Centered जो है वो निकल रहा है -5 स्केल कैसे निकालेंगे?
Fair enough. What you'll do is this. The scale factor has a particular formula. It is image length divided by object length. So for example, can you see my mouse? Let's take you select this length for
Yes,
your object. It's 2 centimeters. And for your image, you select this shape of triangle, this length of triangle C. That's 1 centimeter. So image over length, 1/2 is going to be your scale factor.
1/2.
Yeah, because triangle C is the image and triangle A is the object.
ठीक है, I get it.
Let me write it
कोई
for
भी
you.
coordinate ले सकते हैं ना?
You can take not coordinate, any length.
And कौन सी length?
Okay, hold on. So the scale factor is given by the formula image length divided by object length. When we say length, we are referring to these sides. Can you see this top part of triangle A? From this vertex to this vertex, this is 2 centimeters. Take the same corresponding length in triangle C, that is 1 centimeter. So your formula becomes the image length is 1, whereas the object length is 2. So 1/2 is your scale factor.
ठीक है sir, thank you.
No problem. Similarly, any other part, regardless of that not being related to transformation matrices, you have any query, ask, which I shall discuss. Ji Saad, aap bataiye.
Sir, can you explain matrices in terms of enlargement?
Matrices? Which particular question are you referring to? I will do that, obviously. And I plan to do that. Question number?
Question 8, part E.
Okay, fair enough. So question number 8, part E. Rather, let me open up the whiteboard. उस पे discuss करते हैं. Nizam, you have a question as well? Hold on, Saad. जी बताइए.
No, sir.
Giraffe, you have a question?
No, sir. गलती से हुआ था.
Okay, fair enough. So Saad has actually requested what I wanted to discuss with you. I'm going to open up the whiteboard and let us discuss question number 8E. Hold on, Saad. Your voice was distorted. I could not hear you. I'm coming to that. मैं worksheet open करने जा रहा हूँ और उसके ऊपर हम इसको discuss करते हैं. Question number 8E को. I would request the rest of the class, whichever question you're doing right now, please stop that for a minute and come to question number 8. Let us discuss what we're supposed to do over here. Though I know कि यहाँ पे it's the repetition of what we did just right now. लेकिन let's have a look. Part 8E says write down the matrix that represents the transformation which maps triangle D onto A. Okay. So let's have a look at the question. Let me zoom into that. Triangle D is the object. Triangle A is the image. Now, first of all, understand that for enlargement, we have a separate type of criteria. First of all, if I ask you, and this is very much simple, describe to me what type of transformation is this? Who will volunteer? Mr. Zaim.
Sir, enlargement with a scale factor of -1/2 and centers 0, 0.
Fair enough. So you claim that the center is the origin, and we can verify that very easily. What we're supposed to do? Join a pair of vertices, and you will see that your center is the origin. Fair enough. ये आपके पास ज़ईम ने center बता दिया. Now, what about the scale factor? जिस तरह मैंने अभी इब्राहिम को explain किया. Who will tell me what scale factor are we getting for this? Mr. Abdul Latif.
So -1/2.
-1/2. Very good. This you've already understood. Okay, if your object is facing in, let's say, the left direction and your image is in the right direction, we shall always add a negative sign to our scale factor. Very good, nicely explained. Now, students, remember one thing. This was the description of the transformation. The question says you need to find the T matrix which represents this transformation. The idea is when it is an enlargement, you need to remember, as we wrote down, that the particular matrix has a very specific form. It is to be written in the form K0, 0, K. What does K represent? कौन अच्छा बच्चा मुझे बताएगा ये? Saad?
Sir, scale factor.
Absolutely. Well done. तो बेटा देखें, only 2 steps and we are done with it. Our T matrix comes out to be -1/2, 0, 0, -1/2. Got a bit untidy. Let me write it again. So this is your answer. -1/2, 0, 0, -1/2. And we are done. जी साथ बेटा आप clear हो गया question?
Yes, sir. Sir, so this is the complete answer, final answer.
This is the final complete answer.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Well done. So gentlemen, let me go back to the worksheet. मैं दोबारा उस पे फिर से उसको ओपन कर रहा हूँ. I would like कि आप लोग दोबारा से इसके ऊपर work on करें जो question की list मैंने खोली हुई है. Make sure everybody is done with these parts. If you have any query on your end, feel free to ask again. हम उसको discuss कर लेंगे.